Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and I am so excited to welcome you back to week 9 of the 52-week options trading challenge. We're definitely starting to make some headway into this challenge. We're almost 20% done with the challenge, being 9 weeks in, and I'm really excited to get into this week's video. But before we get into this video, hey, be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel. It shows me that you like these videos, and if for some reason you're new here and you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future content. Also, for those of you that haven't already, hey, be sure to check out that link down below in the description for Moomoo. They are giving away up to 5 free stocks when you sign up using the link down below in the description. When I signed up for Moomoo, I got a total of 3 shares. One of them being Neos, so they definitely don't hold out on the free stocks that they give you. But this intro is starting to get kind of long, so without further ado, let's get into the video. We're here Tuesday pre-market. The market actually opens in about 10 minutes, so I want to take this time to quickly show you the trades that were made yesterday and kind of how we're sitting on those trades as of right now. Alright, so right now, as we are currently sitting, I have $5.31 buying power. So the buying power has decreased. I am currently in a 380 call on Facebook, and yeah, just to show you what happened yesterday, we bought into a put on Facebook. We paid $68 on it. Then we sold out for $34. So right there, we pretty much cut that contract in half. Went down more than the 40% that I usually pull out at. So yeah, went down on that, and then we bought into the contract for $43, and that is where we're sitting right now. So yeah, we're down $34 right now. And if we take a look at Facebook, it is actually down pre-market as well. Future, we're down this morning. But yeah, I'll kind of gauge the market within the first hour. Facebook has kind of been, if you take a look, it's just been trading in a range over the past few days. So if it does that today, hopefully it can run back up to that 341, me get out and maybe find a better position. But anyways, that's going to do it for this morning. I will catch you later. It's still Tuesday. The stock market just closed a little bit under an hour today, and today has been a day in the stock market. A lot of red everywhere, and I would love to show you how that affected our portfolio today. Alright, so here we are in Webull, and taking a look at our portfolio. On the day, we are up $70.24. We're currently sitting in a call on Apple, but before we get into the call on Apple, I would actually like to take a look at what happened with Facebook this morning. Alright, so actually if we look at Facebook and kind of look at the action it's had, it's up $1.73 after hours. Facebook fell all the way down to $3.24 today. Very down day for Facebook, and actually if we go and take a look at my history, you can see that the call I got into yesterday for $43, we actually sold out of today for $26. So right there off Facebook, we took a loss of $17 and did not leave us much buying power at all. So what we did with the remaining money that we got from that play, we actually got into a call on Apple and we paid $28 for it. Luckily we got in early this morning, because at the moment Apple is up $5.06 on the day, and it is also up 60 cents after hours. If we go and look at our positions this week, we need to be at $117 buying power in order to stay on track with where we need to be. So 117 is our goal. And again, if we look at our assets, you can see that the value of this contract that we're in right now is actually $124. But the market's been very volatile lately, and because of that, I'm really on the edge of my seat right now, because you know, this very well could be completely down to like $30 where I picked it up in the morning. So if that happens, we have not completed the challenge yet, but if it does, we finish the challenge for the week. I can chill for the first time in what seems like forever, even though it's only been about 2 or 3 weeks since we've hit our goal, and yeah, we'll be back on track. But anyways, that is going to do it for Tuesday. I will be back tomorrow morning to show you how the market opens up. Good morning, we're here. It is Wednesday, pre-market. And Apple did a little moving after hours, and we're just about 2 or 3 minutes before market open. So I'm actually hoping to take profits when the market opens. But Apple has been coming down in the pre-market, so we will have to see. But let's hop in the portfolio and take a look and see what happens. All right, so here we are in Webull. We got 2 minutes until the market opens. If we take profits right here, we hit the goal for the week. The goal is 117. Right now it's sitting at 124. Apple has moved up a little in the after hours, so if we actually take a look, it's up $1.86 or $1.89 after hours or pre-market. And there was actually a point when it was at 168.65. So if Apple can just hold this level, hey, we will be good. But yeah, we got a minute till market opens. So yeah, we're gonna sit here and we're going to see what Apple decides to do. Got about 15 seconds till market opens. My alarm should actually go off whenever the market opens. Okay, the market is open. Let's see if anything happens to Apple. Ooh, we are up. Let's take some profits. All right, let's see if we can sell it for 192. Okay, we're gonna have to modify the order. The values dropped a little bit. Okay, I'm cool with 183 too. All right. Oh wait, no, it's just modified. Okay. I'm trying to get this order filled, so I'm going below the 180. Let's get my order filled. Come on. Stop dropping. It's dropping too fast. Okay, I'm gonna go down to 165. I'm just trying to get this sold. Okay, it keeps dropping. I need to stop dropping. Can we get the order filled? This is crazy. It was at one. All right, we got filled. We got filled at 153. I'm sure Apple went back up. I'm sure the contracts are higher right now. But hey, we hit our goal, so hey, we are good on that. All right, so actually, if we take a look, let's go. Actually, I want to see how Apple's doing now. Just curious. All right, so Apple is down. It's cool. Apple will probably continue to run. I'm not tripping or anything. But we got the cash balance of 156. That actually puts us $39 ahead of where we're supposed to be. So, hey, we're doing good right there. I actually put up a poll on Facebook, or I actually put up a poll on YouTube to see what stock y'all wanted me to buy if we had extra buying power, just because I figured we would with the way Apple was moving after hours. Apple is moving back up again. The poll was way ahead on Neo, but Neo is actually just outside of that $39 range. But you know what? What the heck? We're still ahead, and it'll just put us maybe $1 or $2 behind on our buying power. So what we're gonna do? So here's the poll I was talking about, and as you can see, Neo is still up 42%. DraftKings in second place, and this wasn't even close. So I'm just gonna go ahead and buy a share of Neo. Thanks everyone who took a vote. And yeah, we're gonna buy a share of Neo. Really like adding shares to this portfolio. What we're gonna do is I'm just gonna buy that market price. I'm gonna buy one share, and now we own a share of Neo. Now that we're done trading for the week, I want to quickly go over and kind of review our goals for the week, what we were supposed to hit for the week, and kind of what our target is for next week. So let's actually hop in our spreadsheet and take a look at where we are. All right, so here we are. We're looking at the goals. So again, right here we have this projected start column we're looking at. We were on week 9, so we should have started about 107 this week. We did not start at 107 this week, but where we should have ended was with our buying power at $117.90. And while the buying power is sitting more around 115 right now, we're still in a really good place. We still hit the goal. The only reason that we're a little bit below our buying power is just because I bought a share of Neo. So we're definitely ahead of the goal right now. And looking at the week ahead, we need our buying power to be just under 130. So we need to make about $15 this next week in buying power in order to hit our goal. So shouldn't be too bad. The market has been falling, and I would expect it to fall a good amount next week too, which is something I really have to look out for. Really got to be patient, not too jumpy when it comes to picking out my plays next week. But yeah, this is very doable. Honestly, I could see us hopping all the way up to week 16. I'm not going to try to do anything crazy and like just go for massive profits, but if it happens, it happens. So anyways, that is going to close out week 9. I just want to take this time to say Hey, I really appreciate each and every one of you that come back and watch this every week. It really fills my heart with joy. Also, I want to know, how did this week treat you? Hey, let me know down below in the comments. Did you take any major wins, any major losses? You just kind of trade sideways this week. I didn't do it in the challenge portfolio, but one cool play I was able to make this past week, I took a $40 call on Apple and turned it into $400. So I always love when I take a little bit and turn into a lot. If you have any stories like that, hey, feel free to comment down below. I'd love to see your successes. Also love to think about ways that we learn from our losses. So anyways, if you enjoyed the video or learned anything, hey, be sure to smash the like button. If for any reason you made it this far and you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, and also don't miss out. Hey, be sure to check out the Moo link down below in the description. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.